Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is the Dumb Money Trader, and today we're going to be going over the trade I took on Monday that unfortunately resulted in me losing $302.60, which essentially just wiped away all the profits I made on, I believe it was last week Thursday. But yeah, unfortunately that's just the name of the game. Losing is it's a part of trading. All I can try to do is, build the account back up from here. But yeah, enough yapping. Let's just jump straight into it. On the 4 hour time frame, we are obviously very much bullish, but I had other plans for the day. I was trying to take shorts to potentially target previous day's low over here, and as well as this low being in a 4 hour gap. My immediate thinking was that we could potentially come and retest this low, retest this 4 hour gap, and then potentially take longs targeting all-time highs. But yeah, on the 15-minute time frame, there were these highs that I was keeping an eye on because this is obviously liquidity resting above these highs. But as you can see, around market open, we ended up opening this 15-minute fair value gap, and I was planning on taking shorts from this 15-minute gap, obviously target previous day's low. And as you can see, price tapped into this gap, and I believe on the 5-minute time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, we ended up opening another 5-minute gap. I immediately thought that, okay, if we can inverse this gap or get some nice displacement through this gap, I'll look to short and target previous day's lows, and that's what ended up happening. I believe my entry was literally around here. My stop loss was somewhere around here, if I'm not mistaken, and target obviously previous day's lows. I was in profits for a little bit, and then as you can see, we just ended up reversing and tagging me out. It didn't stop there though. I was thinking that, okay, cool, maybe we just wanted to retest this 5-minute gap, and we could potentially get a trade off of this and then again target previous day's lows. And I went straight to the 1-minute time frame. So we opened up a nice 1-minute gap over here after resweeping these highs and tapping into the 5-minute gap. We ended up getting that inversion over there, ended straight off of the inversion, stops above these highs, and again targeting previous day's lows. And when I tell you guys, I was barely in profit and I just got straight tagged out. After this, I just ended up calling it a day. 2 losses. That's my max for the day, and yeah, it's unfortunate, but these things happen in trading, guys. Yeah, I'm not too heartbroken about it because at the time in my head these trades made logical sense. Unfortunately, they just did not end up playing out, and I took a fat L on Monday, but it is what it is. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.